Welcome to CS 101. We're going to cover Excel Chapter 3, Project A, Enterprise Fund Pie Chart. We're going to start on page 432 and 433 with Objective 1. First step is to start Excel. And we're going to open other workbooks. And we're going to navigate to our flash drives. Data files. Find Excel Chapter 3. And it wants us to open 3A Enterprise Fund. Click Open. And there we go. Next step is we're going to click File, Save As. Navigate, of course, to your flash drive again. And we're going to save it as last name, first name, 3A Enterprise Fund. And we're going to click Save. Next step, we're going to click on cell D5. We're going to type the equal symbol to start a formula. Let me zoom in a little bit. Oh, come on. I gotta click there. Let me delete this the way I can zoom in. Okay, hopefully this looks really big on your screen. We're going to put in the enter equal symbol again. We're going to click C5. We're going to put in the backslash to indicate division, and then we're going to click C11. We're going to make C11 absolute. The way to do that is we're going to come up here on your formula bar and we're going to enter in the dollar symbol in between the C and the 11. And as you can see on your screen, it turned the box around your 100 a nice pinkish red color, and you're going to press enter. Here we're going to come back up to D5. It should read 173716007. So we're good. And we're going to copy this formula all the way down to D10. Okay, with this still selected, we're going to come to the mini toolbar here, and we're going to click percentage, and we're going to center it, and we're going to click in A1. We're going to click Save Next, and I'm going to pause for just a moment, and I'll be right back. Welcome back. Thank you for holding for me. I'm going to click the Save button just to make sure. We should be on cell A1. We're going to select the range A5 through A10, and we're going to press Control as we select C5 through C10. Next, we're going to come up to the Insert tab. We're going to go to the Charts group, and we're going to insert Pie or Donut Chart, which looks like this one right here. Oh, excuse me. We're going to click on the down arrow, and under 3D Pie, we're going to click to create it. I'm going to zoom out. Okay, and we're going to display the Chart Tools ribbon. We're good to go there. We're going to move the chart to New Sheet. we're going to type in expenditures chart. And we're going to click OK. And it should move it to a whole new sheet. Next we're going to click, let me zoom in a bit. We're going to click here where it says chart title. And we're going to type in enterprise fund expenditures. And press enter. We're going to make sure we're going to click the format here. And in the word styles, we're going to click more. And we're going to find fill, gold, accent 4, soft bevel, which looks like this one here. Okay. With this pointed up, we're going to select the font. And we're going to change the font size on the Home tab to 32. And then we're going to deselect the title. There we go. Okay. Next step is we're going to display the 3 chart buttons on the right, which are these. And we're going to click enhancements, or elements, sorry. When we need to click legend to deselect it. We need to point to data labels. Put that on there. And we're going to display a menu. Okay, we're going to click let's see, we're going to click the arrows, play the menu at the bottom, point to more options. Gotcha. I'm going to zoom out just so you can see the chart there. Okay, we have the format data labels here on the side. We're going to select the category name and percentage and clear out any other ones necessary. So you should just have category name and percentage. And then it says under label position, we're going to click center. You can point to any of these labels. I have to zoom in just so you can see them. And we're going to right click. I'm going to click font. And in the font box, we're going to click bold italic. And we're going to change the size to 11. And we're going to click OK. And we're going to click the X here on the side. Okay, we're going to select anywhere outside the labels. And then double click to display the format data series. I don't think that was quite it. Those are the data labels. That is not what I'm wanting. Ooh, excuse me, I have hiccups. Okay. In any pie slice, Point anywhere outside the selected label. There we go. Format data point. Series options. There we go. We're going to find where it says effects. Fill in line, effects. And we're going to click the 3D format. Okay, for the top bevel arrow, we're going to click the first bevel here, which should be circle. Yep, circle. Next step, we're going to go over to the width box. It says under the top bevel in the width box, select the existing text and type in 512 space PT, and the height is changed to the same. 512 PT, and under bottom bevel, we're going to apply circle again, and we're going to make it 512 and 512. And then it says in the data format pane, scroll down as necessary. In the material, we're going to select under standard, plastic. Okay, we're going to come back up to shadow. We're going to close that one. Come up to shadow. I see a distinct problem. It is only applying it to one of mine, so I'm going to back up. I need to come back here to 3D format. I'm going to go through those steps real quick. Bevel, bevel, 512. Oh ho ho. Let's see, top bevel. Let's get off there. Wonder why you will not work. Okay, let me hit another back button just to be safe. We're going to close this. I'm going to click in here and double click. Nope, that ain't it. There we go. Effects. There we go. There we go. It should be nice and flat and round. And of course we're going to come down here, change the material to plastic. And now we're going to come back up, close the 3D format, and we're going to be in shadow. And then we're going to come here to, under the presets arrow, we're going to select perspective. Scroll down till you hit perspective. In the first row, we're going to point to the third effect, which is below. And we're going to click it. And it puts a slight little shadow around it. Okay. We're going to notice water usage, which is here in the blue. Mine's slightly different location, but we'll get to that. And waterfront. Okay. Okay, all this stuff's still selected around it. In the format data series, under the bars here. Under angle first slice, we're going to drag this selected. We're going to come in here and we're going to type 250 and press enter. And it rotated it around. Rather nifty. And we're going to come up and click save. And notice the slider in the box for Pi Explosion here on the right. We're going to click the green waterfront slice to select only this one. I'm going to see what it displays over here. We're going to type in 10% here. And it removes a chunk of it out. And we're going to come to fill in line. We're going to click on fill. We're going to come down and click gradient fill. And in the fourth row, click the last gradient, bottom spotlight. Let's see. I don't think so. Let's see. Gradient fill. Click the presets gradient. Okay. And then in the fourth row, 1, 2, 3, 4. Click the last gradient. Bottom spotlight, accent 6. Ah, here we go. And we're going to save. Okay. Point to the white area just inside the border of the chart. And we're going to look for the screen tip that says chart area. I think we're there. Format plot area. I'm thinking format shape, format plot area, shadows. I want the chart area, which would be this little button here, I believe. Nope, it tells us to click the fill line. And we're going to go to the fill. We're going to come to gradient fill. Going to come to the presets again. Bottom spotlight accent 1. This should make your background a nice pretty blue. And then it says under border, we should click solid line. And I'm going to display the colors here. We're going to click blue, gray, text 2. Right here's the one we select. And in the width box, we're going to type in a 5. And we're going to press enter. And we're going to close the format chart area. And we're going to save our document. So your pie chart should look the same as we are here. We're getting ready to start Objective 3, and we're almost done with this section. So we're going to notice that the airport here represents 17%. We're going to click the Enterprise Fund Expenditures tab here. Go back to the main page. We're going to click in C5. And we're going to type 18121067 and press enter. You'll notice that it changed from 17 to 18%. And you'll notice that C11 was recalculated as well. Okay, we're going to go to the chart page. And the chart also shows the recalculation. So we're going to click Save. We're on to Objective 4. We're going to click the Expenditures sheet page. And we're going to go to A13. We're going to type in the following. Goal to reduce waterfront expenditures from 11% to 9% of total expenditures. Okay. Percent to 9%. Okay, and then we're going to click the X, then we're going to come across from A13 to D13, and we're going to merge and center the text, and we're going to apply heading 3. In A14, we're going to type goal amount, and we're going to press enter. Next, it says to select C10 and D10. We're going to right click, click copy. We're going to come to B14, and we're going to click paste. And then you're going to hit the escape key. And then we're going to click on C14. And your figure should look the same as figure 3.18, which mine does. Okay, we're going to make sure C14 is the active cell. We're going to come up to the Data tab, and in the Data Tools group, which is this one here, we're going to click on a What If analysis and click Goal Seek. Notice the set cell is C14. The to value, we're going to type in a 9%. And press tab. And by changing, we're going to click cell B14. We're going to click OK. And it tells me it has found a solution. And we're going to click OK. We're going to select the range. Ooh, I see a typo. There we go. We're going to click in, select the range A14. And to C14. We're going to come to the Home tab, and under Cell Styles, under the Themed, we're going to select 20% Accent 1. And we're going to click B14. B14. come up here to Cell Styles again. And then under Number Format, we're going to click Currency with the 0. We're going to save our document. Next, we're going to come up to Page Layout, click Margins, Custom, and of course we're going to center it horizontally on the page. We're going to come over to Header and Footers, Custom Footer, and on the left we're going to insert the file name. Click OK. You're going to click OK again, and then you're going to come up to File, Show All Properties, and in your tags you're going to type in Enterprise Fund, Expenditures, and of course your subject is again your CRN number, and we're going to click Save. And this completes Chapter 3, Project A for your Excel. Thank you.